40,000. How much you carry amount? You carry amount is 50,000. Your recoverable amount is 40,000. What is your new carrying amount? Huh? Huh? Once again, if the carrying amount is greater than the recoverable amount, do you need to do the impairment or not? Yes. So you will, what you have to do? You have to bring down the 50,000 to 40,000. So you will debit impairment loss, you credit the accumulated impairment of land. That's a very good question. It means that now the student applied the critical thinking. The student don't just want to remember or memorize it, but the student want to find out why. That is very good. In the past, you keep memorizing it, and then after that, 2 years later, you forget. Right now, I give you 3. The student came to me, you would like to have a hint. Now, hint to everyone. 5 minus what equal to 3? Minus 2, isn't it? I give you already 3, you have to find number 2. So in other words, listen carefully. I would like to share to all students about part A assignment that should be in your mid-test. How much? For the asset account. If the carrying amount of an asset based on the accounting is 5, the tax base, according to the tax law, is 2. What is your taxable amount? Taxable temporary difference? How much? How much? How much? 3. Come on here. That is your carrying amount of an asset according to the accounting law. The 2 is the tax base according to the tax law. If carrying amount of an asset is greater than the tax base of an asset according to the tax law, it will lead to taxable temporary. Friend, clear now? So you can see that it's not difficult as long as you apply your critical thinking, my friend. Now, for the tax effect, easy. Why? Even this time you don't want to apply your logical reasoning or critical thinking, you can do it. If you debit expense, you credit income tax expenses. If you debit return earnings, you credit return earnings. What else you need to do? Nothing. Exactly, you can see that? You debit depreciation expense, you credit income tax expenses. 30,000 of this one. You debit return earnings, you credit limit, because the real final is not the mid-test. The final exam, that is your real challenge, my friend. Okay? That's why I ask you, tutor, from today onward, monitor the student attendance and also check whether they do the homework or not. Okay? Because frankly speaking, I don't like many students fail, okay? But that is not my call. That is your call. Okay? That is your call. It really depends on you. I only can have profit increase or decrease. Decrease. If you said that the profit increase, you are really in trouble, my friend. Not me. Don't blame me that I cannot teach you. You have a basic accounting problem. Because profit is always in credit, because profit will increase equity. If you reduce profit, return earnings is always in debit side. Expand debit, reduce expand credit, revenue is credit, reduce revenue is debit, asset is debit, liability is credit, thinking is credit, reduced asset is credit, reduced liability is debit. If you cannot say like this like me, you're in trouble. You understand that? That is a good approach, right? That's why many people try to apply a job. Why cannot get a job? If I ask the interview the simple question, you still think about that, you're in trouble. You see that? What is the point to hire you? Even I said that asset decrease, you credit or you debit. Let me think about that. And then you said, oh, asset decrease is debit. Even though you can talk very well, fluently, whatever, and then the bird can coming from the sky to here, nobody wants to hire you. I'm serious, right? So, in the year, the land is still owned, the original valuation entry is repeated. Once the land, I'm a very straightforward person. If I saw you ask me a question that is a fundamental problem, I will immediately tell you, okay? So you said, all right, okay, it seems that I have not understood well. So please accept it as a positive feedback to you and don't be disappointed, all right? Don't think, oh, Yanto, I may be in trouble later on, with Yanto, etc. Don't worry about that. I'm not the type of person, okay? That's why I said that it's better you ask the silly question than you didn't ask, okay? But I will point it out, okay? That is a week apart. Okay? I know that one of your friends tried to make a joke, very funny, So don't ask